In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search salary by company on Glassdoor. If you're trying to understand what a company pays before applying or negotiating, this walkthrough will make it simple. Start by opening your web browser and heading to glassdoor.com. To make this even easier, I've placed a direct link to the website at the very top of the description, so you can click it and follow along. If you prefer using the mobile app, you'll also find the download link in the description. Once you're on the home page, look for the top navigation and select companies. That takes you to the area where you can search for a specific employer. In the search bar, type the name of the company you're interested in. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear. Click the correct company from the drop-down list. Choosing from the suggestions helps you land on the official company page, which keeps your results accurate. On the company's page, navigate to the Pay and Benefits tab. This is where the compensation information is organized. Depending on your region, the wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the tab that includes salaries and benefits data for that employer. Now you'll see a list of salaries for different roles at the company. Use the available filters to narrow things down by job title, location, or department. Filtering by location is especially helpful because pay can vary widely between cities and countries. If you're exploring a future role, set the job title to match as closely as possible, and pick the location where you intend to work to get a realistic snapshot. You may notice pay ranges or an average base pay. Those reflect aggregated reports from employees and can include a mix of experience levels. Many entries also include additional compensation, such as bonuses or stock. Ranges give you a sense of what's common rather than a guaranteed offer, so use them as a guide. On this page, you can also move between sections to read reviews and employee insights. These comments provide context for the numbers and can reveal how pay aligns with workload, benefits, and career growth. Glassdoor may prompt you to contribute your salary anonymously to unlock full access. This is optional, but it can open more detailed data. If you choose to share, keep your entry general and avoid any personally identifying information. You might also be asked to sign in to continue. That's it. You're now ready to search salaries by company, filter for your role and location, and interpret the numbers with confidence. The link to Glassdoor is waiting at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.